Is this working? Yes, it is. Hi guys, I have exciting news. Remember that I was telling you that I would love to have direct contact with you? I really want to answer all your questions and comments, but even though I try really hard, it's impossible for me to answer them all. So I was thinking about two things. First, I wanted to create a private community where we could stay connected, be ourselves, and maybe share the same passion for art and beautiful things that I have. And second, I want to help people that are going through really tough times due to the coronavirus pandemic. Instead of just asking for money, I wanted to give something in return. So I decided to put those two things together and created this private community just for us so we can stay closer than ever and at the same time help other people. For $1 a month, yes, you heard right, just $1 a month, you'll have access to new illustration videos with step-by-step tutorials, behind the scenes, tips and tricks, discounts, and you can also participate in polls with your ideas for future posts. All that for just $1 a month. I'm sure that if we stick together, we can help a lot of people to pay their medications or food for their kids or any other emergency expenses they have. But if you want more benefits, there's another tier where you pay $10 a month and you get free downloads and access to a monthly live stream where we can chat and have a good time. And last but not least, there's a platinum membership, but this is only for people who want to bring their talent and skills to the next level. So for $50 a month, you will get not only all the benefits that I mentioned before, but you will also get all my coloring books for free, access to my digital sketchbook, and a monthly assignment that I will evaluate and give you feedback with tips and tricks so you can improve your technique. So it's more like a one-on-one, but cheaper than an online course. As you can see, there are a lot of benefits for being part of my Patreon. I really hope you guys join. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can check it out. If you don't like it, you can try it a month and then leave. At least we had fun and we got to help a lot of people. And the best part, at least for me, is that it's private, so I can be myself. I don't have to worry about being judged. No haters allowed. Can't wait to see you on my Patreon. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support. I love you. Stay healthy and safe and be nice to each other. See you on my Patreon.